Have you encountered the message on Instagram that says, "Try again later, we'll restrict certain activity to protect our community"? If you're unable to like, comment, or follow others due to this message, follow this simple tutorial for a solution. This message is a warning from Instagram, typically triggered by excessive liking, following, or the use of third-party apps. To resolve it, take a screenshot of the message. Then, go to your profile, tap the three lines, Access, Settings, and choose Help. Click on Report a Problem, and if you don't want to include diagnostic information, select the second option. Explain the issue to Instagram support team, request a quick resolution, and upload the screenshot. Click Send, then log out of your account. Afterward, log in again. Wait for 24 hours to a few days for Instagram to address your problem. Remember to avoid excessive liking and following to prevent this issue from recurring. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching.